A few weeks ago, we finally entered the Mediterranean, reaching the goal we had been chasing ever since we left Sweden on our first sailboat, almost a year ago. The dream that once felt so far away is now our everyday reality. But even here, in the beautiful new places, boat life still means projects, cleaning, provisioning, and fixing things along the way. The saying, boat life is just fixing things in exotic places, really couldn't be more true. In this video, our captain turns 30 and gets celebrated with a visit from family. And we finally get to show them our floating home and a little glimpse into the special life we've created. Subscribe to join us for our adventures in the Mediterranean and beyond. Welcome to Sail and Doxy.
Okay, only stop here for checking and after go to the other method, okay?
Thank you.
You might ask why we are removing our roof. We are removing our roof because we are replacing all the lights in the ceiling to new LED lights. And to do that, we need to drill holes in the roof. So it's easier to, or we have to remove it to be able to do that. So now Erik is checking all the wires. It's a lot of wires. Wish us good luck. It's working.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
You are a genius. How smart do you feel right now?
This is rocket science.
Yes, for us.
Yes. It's a mess, but we're gonna
Fix it.
get some real connectors. This is just temporary.
Good morning from Almerimar. We slept so good this night compared to the night before when we were on anchor. I think we fell asleep like 9 yesterday and I slept until 8. So 11 full hours of sleep. That was very necessary. Erik's family is coming to visit us, so I'm writing a little to-do list that I want to do today. It's a beautiful day. We will go for a little run soon here.
Good day.
Now Nora thinks somebody's coming.
If you say hello, Nora runs to the front. I believe this marina is very nice if you're looking for a
Sheltered place.
Yeah, shelter place to stay for a longer time. And yeah, today my sister mother is coming and Nora will be very happy. She haven't met any other family or people she recognized since January. If I say grandma in Swedish, she will look at this. Ja, farmor. Ja, farmor.
Kommer farmor idag? I don't think our boat has ever been in the condition it is right now, because we have done so many upgrades and changes, so now it's like in the nicest condition it has ever been, with our new spray hood, our new davits with the dinghy, our new lights inside the boat. Almost nobody believes us when we say our boat is from 99. Everybody thinks it's newer. I'll give you a little mini tour. You can also see our real boat tour. I will link it here. This is the most messy cabin, because this is our storage cabin when we don't have guests. And I really like our new lights. The ceiling just looks more modern than before. Here's where we sleep.
Hur kan du lukta det?
Ja!
Hur kan du lukta? We are at the apartment Airbnb with my mom and sister.
And niece.
And niece.
Hello!
Do you want to see the cutest redhead baby ever?
Hey! And now Erik's mom will finally cut his hair.
My mom usually cuts my hair, so she will do it.
Give a little before twirl.
Before.
You look like a hunk. Han leva, ja må han leva, ja må han leva ut i 100 år. Ja visst ska han leva, ja visst ska han leva, ja visst ska han ut i 100 år.
Är det kul att vara på båten? Titta.
Happy birthday!
I got a new perfume from Linn.
It's called Nautica. I thought it was funny.
Good again.
It smells very good.
So fresh and so clean. Wow!
Gud vad fint! Oj!
I got my own photo album
Wow!
of myself.
Myself and I.
And I think it's a pictures of me and Linn together. Or our time together. Erik and Linn's first years together.
Yes, from 2020 to 2025.
Men gott är det. Vilma, dra lite där.
Hey!
We are
Today we are
shopping.
stocking up.
We're taking the advantage. The Mercadona is very close to the boat.
We're thinking that we can maybe borrow this to the boat and then we can go back with it, because it's like we live 2 minutes from this Mercadona.
We are buying a lot of liquids that is
Heavy.
usually very heavy to carry to the
Yeah.
boat. hopefully doing a lot more anchoring.
Yeah.
Too. I've never seen red wine in that.
It looks terrible.
But together with Fanta lemon.
Yeah. But maybe we can take the small one, not the huge one. Take the 2-liter one.
Is that what not?
We have become obsessed with Tinto Verano. Like a little bit of red wine with Fanta lemon. It's so good. Here is already mixed Tinto de Verano. But we can mix it ourselves. How much was the food?
1,000 euros.
No. More. No, sorry.
Oh shit.
Vad hände?
Ja, det är någon lås i den.
Okay, our plan failed. Because
Smarter than we thought.
yes, it had a lock.
Like a geofencing.
Shit, what are we gonna do? We can't carry this. Call Tiago. Okay, so now Erik went with some of our groceries to the boat. He took as much as he could, and I'm here guarding the rest, and he will come back for another round. Round number 2.
We thought we were so smart. Yeah, we can take the cart to the boat. And then like stopped. And there was like a fence, like a invisible fence.
When I lived in Australia, that was actually sort of a service. You could borrow the cart or the trolley and take it home, and then
They will come and pick it up.
they would come and pick it up during the night or something. So you just left it like on the street. It was very strange, but very nice if you don't have a car.
Maybe we bought too much.
No, this is my expertise. I remove all the paper covers from the tin cans because I heard cockroaches and spiders and stuff like to lay their eggs in there. So I just mark them with a piece of tape and write what it is.
My family has now left, or they left yesterday. So we have been doing some shopping today, as you saw, and we are going back to our routines, doing some small boat projects and so on. And tonight we're going to Dusamba, our friend Tiago, for some Lebanese dinner. He's cooking for us, so that will be very good. So we've been here a few days, about a week now in Almerimar, and we're planning to go soon. But we have to wait a few days more because there's quite strong eastern winds around the Cape here. So we wait until we have some better sailing conditions. And then we'll go in the direction of Cartagena, and we'll do some anchoring on the way. Yo! Smelling good? So as you can see, it's not far to our friend Tiago. So we'll just jump over here, try not to lose the camera. And now we are on Tiago's boat. Oh, he's working hard in the kitchen.
Yeah.
The pasta thing?
Yeah, that's with the pasta. This is with lentils.
Nice.
Delish.
You wanted to go swim. Have you changed your mind?
We're still waiting for the right wind.
Winds.
You can see it's
white tips.
white tips in the wrong direction for us.
Yeah. It's Sunday today and we will probably have to wait Monday, Tuesday and then we can leave on Wednesday. It's very windy.
Now I completely lost my appetite for swimming. Look how nice we have it now with our new lights from Båtsystem.
Yes.
And
It's very cozy.
yes, we have a LED list under here now and new dimmable spotlights in the roof. Our days in Almerimar has come to an end.
Yes, 12 days or something.
Yes, too long. Good that we have brand new anti-fouling on.
Yeah.
Unless we would have been grown
Into the marina.
Yes.
But we talked to some other guy here in the marina and he told us that this marina is called Hotel California.
Yeah. You check in and you never check out. Or you can check out, but you will never leave. I think they say. It's maybe one of the best marinas in the beginning of the Mediterranean. So maybe a lot of people come here after a long sail to the Med and then just don't feel like sailing anymore.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe that's a theory.
Yeah.
Anyways,
we're leaving tomorrow.
yeah, so the plan is we go to Almerimar in a few days.
Yeah.
And then we'll be there until we go to the marina where we will
Leave to go back to Sweden.
Yeah, and we haven't decided exactly. We have two options.
Yeah, we have two options. We have one close to Alicante because Alicante is where we fly from. And that marina took 1,100 euros for a month. Then we have contacted another marina that's a bit further away from Alicante, but they only take 430 euros. So the price difference is
Huge.
Pretty big. So tomorrow we will go around 50 miles, I think, to an anchorage. And then, we will see after that. We have a few options depending on the winds and so. But the plan is to anchor quite a lot. Thank you for watching all this way, and don't forget that we have a Patreon if you want to become a member and support us, and we share some behind the scenes material there.
And we also have an Instagram with the same name, Sail and Doxy, that we share more live content.
Also, by the way, we reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube
and
today.
And 1 million views also this week.
Yes, so big milestones for us. We are very thankful for each and every one of you.
We really appreciate all the comments. We read all of them and we answer all of them.
We have some plans for the future. We're thinking. Good night and goodbye. See you in the next one.